Good Sunday evening. Meteorologist John Birchfield here checking in on that weather forecast that does feature a much cooler pattern heading into the work week ahead. In the wake of a strong cold front, we are expecting highs that are going to be down into the 60s, and winds will be shifting to the northwest as that gusty breeze gradually diminishes. The cold front is now already in eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania and New York, and it's actually sparking a line of thunderstorms, some of which are severe. Meanwhile, in northwest Ohio and southern Michigan, breezy and dry weather is expected. There is a severe thunderstorm watch that extends from Buffalo down towards Pittsburgh and into far eastern Ohio. That is not impacting us whatsoever, and it is expected to be a totally dry evening. Here's a closer look at Doppler radar examining some of those severe thunderstorms, and even a couple of tornado warnings have impacted western Pennsylvania as a result of that cold front. Temperatures are still holding very mild into your Sunday evening, upper 70s across the metro, with a few areas south of Toledo still at 80 degrees. Winds gusted from 30 to 40 miles an hour today, and they are gradually diminishing this evening. Wind gusts down to about 25 miles an hour across the metro, mid-20s in southern Michigan as well. Now, due to the combination of the strong winds and the severe drought, it is strongly advised to avoid all outdoor burning, as there is an elevated fire danger not only this evening, but even into your Monday, with the sunshine and dry weather continuing and a bit of a breeze. Winds overnight are going to be down to 10 to 15 miles an hour. It is going to be turning sharply cooler in the wake of that strong autumn cold front, and I'm expecting temperatures that'll be dropping down into the middle 40s. Let me show you visibly on the hour-by-hour forecast. We are already going to be down to the 60s after dark, and heading into your Monday morning commute, down to the upper 40s in Toledo, milder near the lakeshore, and cooler towards Hillsdale, Williams, and Defiance counties, with lows that'll be in the mid-40s. Into Monday afternoon, not much headway in the temperature department. We are going to remain steady in the mid-60s with a much cooler October weather pattern. Cooler with temperatures in the mid-60s heading into the work week. The winds will be shifting to the northwest in the wake of that front. Still a bit of a breeze, something that'll be noticeable and may require the light jacket, with winds at 10 to 15 miles an hour. The wind will be calmer Tuesday, but it's going to be equally cool with temperatures in the mid-60s. Wednesday and Thursday, it's rinse and repeat with more sunny and calm weather, and those overnight lows are going to get really chilly. Both of these mornings, Wednesday and Thursday, could feature mornings that'll be around 40 degrees with some of the coolest weather we have felt this season. Additionally, no rain chances for the work week. Our next chance for showers is over a week away, not arriving until next Sunday into next Monday. The weather pattern is set to remain incredibly dry, not just for Toledo, but for a good portion of the Midwest, the Great Lakes, and the midsection of the United States. This dry weather pattern likely all of next week, and this weather map takes us all the way through the middle of the month, so it is expected that rainfall remains hard to come by, and that is good news for area farmers in harvest mode. But keep in mind, the dry weather will make for an increased fire risk this week. Now, while the weather's quiet here at home, we have our sights on the tropics as the Gulf of Mexico is heating up and intensifying Hurricane Milton. The latest data: Milton is now a hurricane, a Category 1 with 85-mile-an-hour winds, and is poised to intensify to a Cat 2 and possibly even reach major hurricane status. The latest data actually does show an uptick to Category 4 hurricane status, which would impact western Florida substantially this week. As far as those impacts go, it is going to be the Tuesday to Wednesday time frame when the storm surge, the winds, and the rain will be the strongest. We are looking at some of the latest data showing 140-mile-per-hour winds, which would put it at a major hurricane status. We're going to keep our eyes on the tropics while the weather is quiet here at home. I'm expecting sunshine all week long. There is going to be a warm up by Friday as temperatures climb to the 70s. We can make a run for 80 degrees Saturday, so those fall activities are going to be nice and mild. Next cold front comes in Sunday into Monday, and that'll bring with it the chance for some scattered rain showers and temperatures dropping back into the 60s by the end of the 10-day forecast. We'll have your latest weather outlook coming up tonight on WTOL 11 News.